Have you ever seen shoes in your dreams? Sometimes you suddenly notice you're walking around in brand new shoes, or maybe you've lost a shoe and just can't find it. But what do these kinds of dreams really mean? They might actually be pointing to emotions you haven't noticed, important decisions you're facing, or even internal conflicts. Today, we're breaking down what it means to dream about shoes, what the little details might represent, and how they relate to what's going on inside you. Let's get started. Shoes are something we use every day, but we barely think about them. In dreams, shoes are often linked to your life journey, the choices you make, and how you present yourself to the world. They can be a sign that you're in a transition, or offer insight into how you see yourself. Shoes can also symbolize your desire to move forward, your need to feel protected, or whether you're truly ready for something. The color of the shoes can add extra layers of meaning. Black shoes usually reflect seriousness or determination. White shoes suggest simplicity and inner peace. Red shoes can represent strong emotions, excitement, or a passionate phase in life. Blue shoes are often tied to calmness or a search for emotional balance. Whether the shoes are new or old, clean or dirty, also affects the dream's meaning. New shoes may represent fresh energy, openness to change, or a strong sense of motivation. Worn-out shoes might point to emotional exhaustion, boredom, or the need for change. Dirty shoes can reflect insecurities or difficulties fitting into your environment. Wearing shoes in a dream usually means you're ready to move forward. It could be starting a new job, entering a new relationship, or finally taking action on a personal decision. But if the shoes don't fit, hurt, or feel uncomfortable, the dream might be telling you that the path you're on doesn't really suit you. Taking your shoes off in a dream is often about needing rest, stepping back, or letting go of burdens. It can be a sign that after a hectic period, you need time to reflect and reconnect with yourself. It may also mean you want to walk away from certain responsibilities or situations. Losing your shoes in a dream can represent feeling lost or uncertain. It might reflect a phase of confusion or feeling incomplete or insecure. The absence of shoes often symbolizes emotional or mental blocks that are stopping you from moving forward. Buying new shoes usually symbolizes a new beginning or an important decision. This could apply to your career, relationships, lifestyle, or personal growth. It might mean you're ready to walk a different path. Details like whether the shoes feel right can show how comfortable or confident you are with this new direction. Dreaming of wearing someone else's shoes often has to do with seeing things from another person's perspective. It might represent empathy, trying to understand what someone else is going through, or even taking on a different role. But it can also suggest you're moving away from your own identity or acting based on others' expectations. High heels usually reflect confidence and the desire to stand out. Sneakers represent a more active, energetic lifestyle or a need for movement. Boots often symbolize a need for protection. Slippers can point to a desire for simplicity, comfort, or inner peace. The type of shoe you see can give insight into what you need or how you're feeling in that phase of life. Shoes that are too big or too small usually reflect a sense of discomfort or not fitting in. You might be in a role that doesn't feel right, stuck in an environment that doesn't suit you, or carrying responsibilities that aren't truly yours. Cleaning shoes in a dream is often about trying to reset or improve yourself. It may reflect a desire to move past old mistakes, clean up your image, or become a better version of yourself. It can also show that you're paying attention to how others see you. Giving someone shoes or receiving them can say a lot about your relationships. It might represent offering support, receiving appreciation, or guiding someone, or being guided. This kind of dream can come up when you're thinking about the give and take in your connections with others. Trying on shoes represents a testing phase. You might be weighing your options or considering a big decision. This dream suggests you're figuring out what actually fits you, emotionally, mentally, or in life in general. If you're wearing two different shoes, it often reflects inner conflict. You may feel torn between two directions, unsure of what to choose, or struggling to stay balanced. This dream can express confusion or a lack of alignment in your current path. Walking barefoot can make you feel exposed, vulnerable, or unprotected in your dream. It might signal an emotionally sensitive period where you feel fragile or raw, but it can also reflect a desire for simplicity, authenticity, or returning to your true self. Dreaming of shoes might seem like a small thing, but it can reveal a lot about how you're feeling, thinking, and navigating life. Details like the color, type, condition, or even whether you're wearing them, all of it shapes the meaning. So it's not just the shoes themselves, but everything around them that matters. Hopefully this video helped you understand what your dream might be trying to tell you. See you in the next one.